Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to another blessed, blissful broadcast. I'm your guide to a healthier and happier you. Today's topic is truly exciting. We're delving into the world of natural collagen and how it can instantly tighten your skin and kiss those wrinkles goodbye. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our life-changing content. Now let's get started. Collagen, the beauty secret we all crave. It's the protein responsible for maintaining the elasticity of our skin. As we age, collagen production decreases, leading to sagging skin and wrinkles. But fear not. Today I'm sharing 5 fantastic tips to naturally tighten your skin and restore that youthful glow. First up, nourish your skin from the inside out. Incorporate foods rich in collagen-boosting nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and antioxidants. Think colorful fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Hydration is key. Water helps maintain your skin's elasticity and suppleness. So grab that water bottle and keep your skin glowing from within. Did you know that facial exercises can tone and tighten your skin? Simple exercises like facial yoga or massage can stimulate collagen production and promote blood circulation. Opt for natural skincare products that promote collagen production. Ingredients like retinol, peptides, and hyaluronic acid can work wonders for tightening and rejuvenating your skin. Last but not least, consider collagen-boosting supplements. These can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to enhance collagen production naturally. Wow, those tips are a game changer. Remember, beauty is more than skin deep, and taking care of your skin is a form of self-love. Now, before we wrap up today's broadcast, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Join our community and embark on this journey towards a more blissful and blessed life. Thank you for tuning in to another blessed, blissful broadcast. As we conclude today's episode, I leave you with a powerful reminder from the scriptures. In Ecclesiastes 3:13 it says, "And people should eat and drink and enjoy the fruits of their labor, for these are gifts from God." Life is indeed a precious gift, and taking care of ourselves is a way of expressing gratitude for this incredible blessing. Until next time, stay blessed, stay blissful, and remember, your life is a gift from God. Goodbye, beautiful souls.